welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So happy fall to those who are celebrating. And I don't want to hear how it's still summer. I didn't ask you that. And I thought, it's fall, pumpkin-y, apple-y, them the type of something day. And I was like, all right, I got some apples in the fridge, Gala apples, the best apples. Like, I don't want to hear nothing else. And I was like, what if I made me like a little crumbly little situation? And I made an apple crumble, cake, bread. I'm gonna treat it as a bread because I'm gonna have it with some coffee tomorrow morning. So if you want to see how I made a vegan apple crumble bread, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Why'd I struggle with that? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the baking era continues. I gotta, do my little thing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm starting out with the best apple. Now, I need to respond to that comment. Somebody was like, honey crisp, like a word. Are you crazy? No, I'm so sorry. Gala apples all the way. Like, there's literally no apple. I have not met an apple that does it better than Gala. I haven't. I don't know what to tell you. Like, thinking about you during this time. So I'm going to dice. I don't know. Listen, if you went to culinary school, I want to hear it. Is this a proper dice? I don't know. I put it into little pieces then. 2 Gala apples are pretty small. I would say it's a cup and a half of apples. And I'm gonna let them sit for a while I do the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna put a little agave. You probably could skip that, but I'll be doing my little thing. I'll be like, how can I elevate this? Some cinnamon and some nutmeg. So I'm in my baking area. I'll be doing my local stuff. And I feel like this is a very approachable thing because literally a bread, now results can vary, but like normally a bread is really easy because you need some type of like, when you're doing vegan joint, right? You need some type of like thing to keep it moist, something to keep it together, and that's really it. If you have those 2 components, I feel like it works every time. Now, if you get in there, something go wrong, don't at me, okay? So my thing to keep it together is going to be using these vegan egg things. Now, I really have been using this. Like, I was watching a TikTok and I saw like months ago, and I saw this. Who makes it? Red Mill. This vegan egg stuff in their background. It's a bakery in Brooklyn, and I was like, oh yeah. But if you could probably use a flax egg. You could probably use just egg, whatever you want to do. Okay, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of that with some water. That's literally straight from the package instructions. I'm gonna add some sugar. You can make it sweeter or not so sweet. I made some peanut butter cookies. I freelanced them over the weekend, and like I didn't want them too sweet. You could play with the sugar, like. Who finna jump you? Nobody. Exactly. Okay, I'm taking 2 cups of flour and I'm some cinnamon, nutmeg. That's it. So I'm gonna mix this together first, and then we're gonna go in and add my plant milk. Now you could use almond milk, you could use oat milk, you could use soy milk. Are the girls really using rice milk? That's no judgment. I just want to know, like, are y'all doing it? Good for you. I love that for you. I love that you're being unique. All right. So I'm going to add in, I'm just showing you what I was doing. Like, here we are. It's cute, right? Look at it. Okay. So here come my apples. I'm going to stir them in. Yeah, you're going to fold them in. That's it. I'm trying to figure out what else would be cute with this. Apples. Ooh, a pear moment might be cute. That's all I got. I don't even know why I went down that road. It was dead end. But yeah, just be mixing and stuff. I love fall. Like, what are my plans for fall? Like, let me know what your plans are for fall. Unfortunately, I live in the South, so not unfortunately. I live in the South, so I don't. When it compares to the North, I just feel like it don't be falling like that. But I am gonna watch Hocus Pocus and do a little apple cider moment. Then the type of something there. Let me know what your fall plans are. It is still summer. It's also like 90 degrees outside, but we move. Okay, I'm making a little crumble. You could skip this. You could do it. It's literally just some melted butter and some sugar and some flour. You're gonna make a little crumbly just to sprinkle on top. And now, if you are asking, Katie, where's half of your batter? You see how you in my business? I feel like that's crazy. Like, don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, what I got going on. Just know that you see in this video, you see what I made in the video, and we move. Don't worry about nothing else, all right? Okay, so I put my little crumble on top. I got my oven preheated to 400 degrees. I was thinking about doing 375, But like when you bake on 375 for certain things, like obviously you can't rush certain things. But I'm trying to eat my bread before Jesus comes back. You know what I'm saying? But look at it, like it came out so good, and it's all moist on the inside. It's giving very much culinary. It's giving very much she in her bag, she in her groove. You know, she shake it like jelly. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. You know, I'm in my baking era. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Thank you again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.